Okay, so hey everybody, there's a new way that y'all can write and submit on your documents that I put in Google Classroom, so you don't have to worry about typing it somewhere else and taking a picture of it. So if you go to the assignment, and that's what I'm doing, just open the assignment. If you go up here to open with, click on connect more apps, and then type in Kami. Once you type in Kami, press enter. It's actually the second one. You click on that, and then you're going to click on connect. Once you click on connect, it should upload, and you click on your Google Classroom or your Google website or whatnot. So once you do that, you're going to go back up to open with and do annotate with Kami. So once you do that, it's going to now open up the document in Kami. Okay, yeah, I did all that. And now in this document, I can text, I can do a text box. I can draw on it, which means I can write my answer to show my work. It has an eraser on here and all of that stuff. So you don't have to worry about going somewhere else, taking a picture of it and uploading it. You can actually write, and this actually saves to your drive. And I can actually see the students who are working on it as well. And then you can submit it once you're finished. So this is another option that you can use if you don't want to show your work on a separate sheet of paper and then have to take a picture and upload it. If you have any questions, let me know.